Vlogmas Day 25.
You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel. It's a great
So it's Christmas Eve. It's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve.
Since I got to open 2 gifts, and you spoiled one of your gifts yesterday, I'm not gonna talk about that. I got you 1 gift. And your other gifts are still coming, but I got you a gift. You need these.
It says it's fragile.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all, I'm about to be doing a contour, but whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever it is. I think I know what it is. Oh, you didn't. Y'all. Can't even open it, but I know what it is from the bottom. Oh, got me an iMac. For YouTube and stuff. Thank you. It's an iMac. You're the best. Oh, he want to try to get me to start crying now. Your big box don't come till Friday. I tried to get it before Christmas. It was not happening. But you got 3 other gifts over there too. Okay. Thank you, baby.
Mm-hmm. Also, I remember 2/3 of oil. I use milk. And then it's 1/4 cup of milk. Pillsbury, if you want this brand. But instead of me turning the machine on and letting it do itself, we're going to whip this thing. Oh, first we're going to whip, like I said, the eggs and the oil and the milk, and then I'll add the mix, the brownie mix that comes in the box, and then we'll go from there. So I'm pretty sure that mixed pretty well.
Yeah.
Next is one of the best parts is t-shirts, so you gotta be all aggressive and just pull them forward. But I'm gonna open it a little bit more from the top. Once again, I would probably say maybe like 2 minutes on this.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. It's Crema. You laughing at me? About to head on out to go to church. Of course that doesn't want to do with it. What I need it to do, right?
Oh,
God, this feel good. Period. Thank you, baby. So Tyler wants to make me cry at the beginning of vlog. Got me a Christmas gift.
You can open up the rest later. Just do this one first.
Sister TJ attack. Wait. Not sisters by blood, but sisters by. Okay, I feel like I know what it says already. Yes, yes. Thank you. And we got Liv.
What I do?
Your names are on. You want me to put your Instagram on there?
Yeah, you can.
I'm gonna put your Instagram on there. Look at Unc over here opening the door.
Will be the year of special anointings on your children. Oh God. God said, I'm going to, as it were, wrap your children up in my presence. That their peers will be full of demons, but your children will be full of light. Oh, somebody better shout. God said, I'm literally going to touch the intellect of your children. That your children will be like the three Hebrew boys. They will excel in everything that they do. Every place they go, they're going to be different. They're going to shine. They're going to be accelerated. Some of them will go to accelerated classes, and some of them will skip grades, and some of them will play 2 and 3 instruments all at the same time. God's about to do something phenomenal for the people of God. Steve.
All right, come on. Well, we're singing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
I left my camera. Say hello to the vloggy vlog. He said what's happening to the vlog. So just got home from church, from doing the good churching.
Turn me round, treat me like a watch, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you some long. You ready to down low like bombs? Boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see the person. Believe me. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talk about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get right. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me what's happening, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get right.
I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a fan, I know I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, I ain't done. They try to take my flow, I take the ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone, they see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twin Glocks, turn you to a dancer. I see 2 twin ops, leave them on a band, and I got 2 big dots, wanna link the game. I got red, I got blue, what you want? The Chanel, Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton. She know I got the funny problem when I hit along. I needed me a diet rider, I need me the one. I started from the bottom, you can see the way I stung. I want all the diamonds, I want that shit to weigh a ton. The ops, they tryna lie me cause they hate the place I'm from. But them niggas don't know me, they just know the place I'm from. I got lots of shorties tryna pull up to my place. But you ain't want me last year, so just get up on my face. They all up in my inbox, so I know they wanna taste. I know they want my downfall, a nigga, are you lazy? I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a fan, I know I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, I ain't done. They try to take my flow, I take their ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone, they see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twin Glocks, 3 to a dancer. I see 2 twin ops, leave them on a band, and I got 2 big dots, wanna link the gang, yeah.
Okay, y'all. So Vlogmas is over. We opened all our stuff up. We just did our little photo shoot or whatever. Now for the rest of the day, we just about to chill, play games, play some new video games we got. I'm probably gonna set up my computer. Blase skip. But thank you guys so much for rocking with me during Vlogmas 2022. It has been so much fun to do this. Thank you guys again so much. You should go ahead and click that like and subscribe button if you're new here. If you're already family, thank you for rocking with me. And that's it for this Vlogmas. Stay tuned for me and Rob's couples channel. Cause we gonna start trying to do some stuff with our couples channel. So yes, it's been a great year. I feel very blessed. But you guys have a great rest of your year and Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Okay. Love you guys. Bye.